Hey, Brad.
Hey, how are you, Chris?
Doing good. Just looking over all the information for this exam.
Yeah, when are you planning on taking it?
I'm not sure. Maybe Wednesday because I have group meetings and stuff throughout the evening tomorrow, so that might kind of get in the way.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna plan on Wednesday as well.
Yeah.
Hey, everybody.
Up listening.
Hey.
Erica.
Hi.
All right, well, I guess we're all here, so we can just get started. Um, so I guess it's test week, first exam. This week, all we had was the study guide, and I think that the quiz that we'll take today are the exact questions from the study guide.
Okay.
Hopefully not all of them.
Yeah, hopefully not all of them. Although, yeah, because there's like what, 25 questions?
32.
I was at 32.
Yeah.
I answered most of them, but there are a few that I wasn't positive on or I didn't get to it. Um, but I'll hopefully finish those up real quick. Do you guys have any questions though on some of on any of the questions?
I don't
It's just a
think
little
I do.
disappointing. There was like an answer sheet to make sure we're getting the right answers here.
Yeah, that would be nice. But maybe the group quiz will be our answer sheet, I guess.
True.
If they're the
Yeah.
same questions.
Did anybody 13 and 13 question 13, did anyone get an answer for that one? Or like how to do that?
This is I think this is lesson 3. Or maybe not, maybe it was lesson 4. I don't remember specifically how to calculate standard deviation for all those temperatures, but I remember doing it. I'll have to go back to the lesson specifically to see.
Okay, I'm gonna see if I can figure it out real quick.
Oh, I think you calculate every one of every row in the standard square deviations column, and then you divide it by the number of variables. I think that's how you do it.
Okay. So what answer did you get on that one?
I didn't calculate it. I'll calculate it right now.
Okay, that's what I'm gonna calculate too. right. I think I got it.
So what'd you get for the standard deviation?
So I didn't get the standard deviation yet, but I got 1.54, which I assume is the standard deviation.
Okay, I might have done something wrong.
But let me do the standard deviation real quick.
Okay. Because I think for 13, I think it's the variance.
Oh, you think what is the variance again?
It's the population standard deviation.
Oh, okay.
Actually, no. I think I'm. Actually, yeah. I don't know. This is stuff that was like at the beginning, and so I'm getting them mixed up a little bit. Because for the standard deviation for that, I got 0.715.
So for the sum of the four numbers, I got 1.54. Did you get that too?
For the sum of all of the numbers,
Yeah.
let's, I don't. Let's, for the sum of all of them. Oh yeah, I did.
So then it can't be standard deviation then.
Yeah, then it wouldn't be. Then it'd be.
$38.16. Oh, you know what? Yeah, standard. So then I think the answer actually, 'cause the variance is 0.512.
Yeah.
So I think the answer to this one is none of the above.
Yeah, that would make sense.
But so I would feel comfortable trying that on our first attempt. It's definitely not the mean. All right. Well, does anybody have any other questions? Or I don't know if we should just take the quiz and then we can work through some of them, or if we should work through them now, make sure that we have.
Yeah, if they're all the same questions, then we could just try the quiz and then work through them that way.
Okay. All right. Well, let's go ahead. Unless anyone has any other questions, I think we just lost Chris.
There you go. I don't know what happened. My died. You guys there?
Yeah.
Okay. I don't know what happened. My screen like shut off and it killed it.
So question 1 says that you should take this quiz once before you meet with your group.
Oh, does it really?
Yeah, I didn't know that.
Whoops.
Well, I guess I don't know. Is everybody done with the questions?
Yeah, it doesn't say to do that in the group meeting instructions.
Well, it says that, yeah,
Oh.
in the group meeting instructions, it says that you should do the answers on your own, the questions. But it doesn't say that we have to do it before we meet.
No, it didn't. It doesn't say that anyway.
I don't know. I'm going to look at the instructions, because if it doesn't say that, then I say we just take it.
Are we supposed to? Are we just supposed to do this like by ourselves?
I don't know. I'm going to read the instructions real quick. Yeah, the instructions, it says to it just says meet with your group using Google Hangouts, compare your answers from the individual preparation assignment found in lesson 8. You can use Wiki and any notes you've created based on your reading. Then it says go to the next page, and to access lesson 8 group meeting quiz, click start. Each member of the group must submit his or her own answers in order to receive credit.
Interesting.
So I think we're supposed to take it together.
Okay. The first question on the quiz, as soon as I opened it, I just read through it because it was different and it's weird.
Oh.
I don't know.
Well, I guess as long as you just did the homework on your own.
Yeah.
Wow. Okay.
Yeah, those are the same group meeting instructions for every week, so I guess you just go for it together then.
Yeah, plus because we only have right now to do the group quiz. So,
Yeah.
all right, well, let's just get started then. So what'd you guys get for number 1 or number 2?
Isn't it a randomly selected brand of toothpaste? I guess you could also say that age and years of randomly selected vehicles in a parking lot is also categorical.
Yeah, those are the 2 that I put. Because age and years, while age is a number, you can categorize the years of the vehicles, and that appears to be what they were doing with that one.
Yeah.
Second one is categorical, right?
Number 2 and 3 are the categorical.
Oh, yeah.
So is everyone good on that one?
You guys are quiet for me. There's a lot of interference. We're going with number 1, right?
On question number 2, we're going with box number 2 and 3.
Oh, we're choosing 2 answers. Okay. Got it.
All right. So then number 3 is the Mune IQ test.
Mean.
So then I got 100 as a parameter, and then
100.
112 is statistic. Is that correct?
112.
Or are they both statistic?
So I got the opposite, but I don't know. I can't remember what the definition of parameter is.
I think 100 is a parameter. Really?
Okay. I'm good with putting 100 as a parameter.
Okay, so parameter is a true number that describes a population, and a statistic is an estimate of a parameter obtained from a sample. So then 100 would be a parameter, and then 112 would be a statistic, I think.
Yeah, I think
Yep.
that's solid.
So we're going with 100 as a parameter and 112 as a statistic.
Yeah.
All right, number 4. What'd you guys get on this one?
Stratified.
Is it, for number 4 is did you guys do a cluster sample?
I originally put cluster, but then I changed it to stratified.
What is the difference between those? Stratified.
Stratified divides data into similar groups, and a simple random sample is taken from each group. And cluster all items in one or more randomly selected clusters or blocks.
Okay. So then,
I think stratified.
yeah, that would make more sense then.
Okay.
So we're going with stratified for number 4, correct?
Yeah.
Okay. Number 5.
Yeah. For 5, I got cluster.
I got the same thing. I guess this would, yeah, that would make sense why this would be a cluster versus the last one. It's not, it is being stratified.
Yeah, well,
All right. So number 6. What'd you guys get for 6?
Isn't it a systematic random sample?
Simple random sample, right?
Yeah, it's a random sample.
Yeah. All right, number 7. On this one, I got stratified.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, number 8. What'd you guys get for the mean? Does anybody have an answer for this one?
For number 8,
Yeah.
I got 4.771.
Yeah, that's what I got. 4.77. I'm glad you wrote down the third decimal because I only wrote down 4.77.
Okay.
And then, did everyone get that one? 4.771.
Yes.
Yeah, I got that.
And then standard deviation for the next one, I got 1.91. I just don't have a third decimal.
I forgot how to come up with an answer for this one.
So for this one, you can use software. So I just used the Excel spreadsheet that he provided.
Okay.
And then it just computed it for me.
So just by highlighting all the amounts and then let's see here. It's one of the functions, right?
Yeah, so like I use the quantitative descriptive statistic document, and I highlighted the data from the one document he gave us, the spreadsheet, and I put it in there, and it just automatically computes standard deviation, variance, mean.
So what'd you get for your standard deviation? You got 1.9.
1.9.
I got 1.91. I need another decimal place, so I could go do it again. I just was wondering if someone else.
I didn't write down anything more than 1.9, so I don't know if we calculate and see. Look at this out really quickly.
1.9.
All right, when I recalculated it in Excel, I got 1.900713. How many? Is this round to the third decimal?
Yeah.
So then
1.9.
would it be 1.901?
Yes.
Okay.
So I just got 1.911.
What are you doing?
1.912 is what I got.
Which standard deviation algorithm are you using?
So I'm using the quantitative descriptive statistics spreadsheet that they give us, where it automatically does it for you.
Oh, okay.
And it like shows the histogram. And so I got 1.912. which is what Chris got too.
Yeah, that's why I just got.
Okay, we can put that. So 1.912.
Wow.
No, I got 1.901. That's wrong.
So I guess it depends on if we have to use Excel to calculate it. If we do, depends on what formula we have to use as well. If we use the sample formula, then it's 1.9119 in Excel. So then it would be 1.912.
Well, I guess we can just try one of them and then
Yeah, you
we'll know.
Yeah.
So, I don't know. I think I'm just gonna put 1.912,
Yeah.
and then for the next one, it's true or false.
You should just say whether you put in the. Wait, if it's drum or not.
All right. So then number 11.
You guys get negative 0.165.
That's what I got. And then, was everyone okay with negative 0.165?
Yeah.
Question number
For number 11.
Oh, 11. Oh, yeah.
And then for 12, I got 0.6806.
Just round it to 4. Oh, okay. So 3 decimal points, it's 0.681 then, right?
Yeah. Is everybody okay with that then?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then we have our question 13 that I think we decided on none of the above.
Yeah.
Okay. Let's move on to 14.
I got 0.715, right?
Yeah. And are you guys okay with 0.715 on 14?
Yeah.
Are you okay, Erica?
0.715.
Yeah. And then 15, what did you guys get?
15. It's false, right? The standard deviation can't be negative.
Wall. It's under.
Yeah, I put false. All right, I guess we'll move on to 16 then.
I got the extra dural.
Because of the standard deviation.
Yeah, it's below standard deviation, so it's the most consistent.
Oh, yeah.
And then for 17, I got 8.
Yeah, I got 8 as well.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Just got a little bit, got more quiet.
Yeah.
All right, for 18, isn't it 50%?
Yeah, yeah.
What'd you do? 50?
Oh, wait.
This is one I had a problem with.
So if it's between 4 and 8 hours,
Yeah, then
and
is it
then-
50%?
yeah, because over the entire box plot, I think there has to be what percentage of the data lies between 4 and 8 hours. So it's distributed equally, 25% in each thing, right?
Yeah, I think so. That's what I thought, and I did 50%, but then I remember that one question on the test or the quiz that we took that it was, but I guess we had to calculate the mean.
Yeah,
And that
so you
was a
couldn't
problem
commute
with
it. Yeah, this one, and I mean, the only other answer this could be is like we don't know, but we can't put that. So
I think I might have accidentally muted Erica.
oh, did you mute her?
I didn't mean to. I was just checking it to see if I could set volume. There you go. Now I can hear Erica again.
Sorry. I don't know what I did.
Oh. Lost it again.
There she is. Okay.
It says
Oh, well, go ahead, Erica.
it says Bradley mute. No, I don't know how to say it. Mute in mid you. M-E-T.
All right. Are you, Erica? Are you good on question 17 and 18?
$18.
Yeah. Are you? Did you get that one? Okay.
50% or 25, 50%.
Yeah, 50%. All right, let's go to number 19. So I wasn't sure about it. So my guess is that the mean is 2.2875. Actually, never mind. That's not right.
Do we just? I mean, we have no. So we only have two numbers to go off of in this. We're supposed to base this off of some other number. How many observations are there?
I don't think there is one.
So then, how are you calculating the mean from that?
So we know that we have two numbers, 1.59 and 2.52. And we know that it's unusual if it's more than 2 standard deviations away from the mean.
Yeah.
And then it also says that values outside of 1.59 and 2.52 are unusual.
Yeah.
So I'm assuming that 1.59 and 2.52, there's a middle number, and that middle number is if you go two standard deviations down, you get 1.59. If you go 2 up, you get 2.52. But I'm trying to calculate that middle number.
So then if it's 2 standard deviations away from the mean,
So 2.055.
would that be?
I mean, that's what you get if you take those two numbers and just divide by 2.
So I think that's 1 standard deviation.
So then we'll take that number and divide that by 2. It's just 2 standard deviations away is. No, I think that would be correct, and then 1 standard deviation is 0.2325. Because if you take the difference between 2.055 And 2.52 you get 0.465. So that would be that would have to be it because that's directly in the middle of the two.
And the problem with this is if you plug it into the formulas,
Uh-huh.
so like if you go 2 times 0.465 and then 2.055 minus the 0.93, which is that this standard deviation, you get a different number.
Well, the standard. Oh, I guess that's true.
So the other thing I thought of is if you take the difference between the two numbers, it's 0.93, right?
Mm-hmm.
And then if you wanted to find what that is 4 spaces from each other, you divide it by 4. And then maybe if you have that divided by let me try something else. Okay, I got it.
So what'd you get for the mean?
So the mean is 2.2875 and the standard deviation is 0.11625.
So how did you get that?
So I took the difference, which is 0.93, and I divided it by 4. And that gives me, and that will tell me what 4 standard deviations are from 1.59 to 2.52. I took that number and I just divided it by 2 so I could see what a single standard deviation is.
Uh-huh.
And that gave me the 0.116 number. And then I plugged that into the formula with the mean. So I times it by 2 and then added it to 2.2875 and I got 2.52.
Okay, wow. Well, that's cool.
Did that make sense?
Yeah, that actually made sense. That worked.
Do you have a way of sharing your screen and somehow putting that down on like Microsoft Word or something like that for us to see, like? It was kind of hard for me to follow. You know what I mean? I just can't do a visual on that.
So I was just doing it on paper.
Okay.
I don't know, but let me check something real quick because let me check the other formula. Uh-oh.
What?
What's wrong?
Oh, yeah.
So it works in one of the formulas, but it doesn't work in the other one. Why not? Oh man, why is that not working? So here, tell me if you guys can get this to work. So the mean is 2.2875, and the standard deviation is 0.11625.
Standard deviation, 0.93
Is,
divided by 2. Divided by 2. Oh, no.
The second equation isn't working, or the first one, sorry. The 1 point, I can't get 1.59.
Okay, well, okay. Let's see. If you look down at question number 21, you can see that the first deviation is in between 1.823 and 2.288.
So it can't be 2.88. Oh
So
wait.
that's the first. So that would be the right edge of the first quartile. So it's in between 2.288 and 1.823.
So it would be D on that one.
Yeah. Well, none of the other ones would work.
So back on number 20, we're just skipping that one for now?
No, I was just looking at 21 to try to figure out where the.
Would for standard deviation number 20, what about 0.34875?
Point what?
0.34875.
Yeah, we can try that.
What was the first number you came up with?
0.11625.
If I take point, or if I take 2.288 minus 1.823 and then divide that by 2, yeah, I get 0.2325 or 0.233. I mean, D on for 21, D has to be the only logical answer out of all of those. To be within the first quartile. So then the standard deviation would have to be 0.2325. I would think.
So let's see if that works into our formula. Wait, what would our mean be?
So then the mean would be whatever's in between 1.8. So we'll just do plus 1.83. So it's 2.055.
Yeah, 2.05, which is the original mean that we got.
Your
The only thing that was
mean,
wrong was our standard deviation.
yeah. The mean was, yeah.
All right, so I think it's gonna work out now. Yep, it works.
Okay,
All right, we got it.
So then the means for 19 it's 2.055. Then for question 20, the standard deviation is 0.233. And then 21, the answer is B. Is everybody good with those? Does anybody?
So for, let's see here, 19 was 2.055, and, or excuse me, yeah, 19 was 2.055,
Yeah.
20 was 0.2.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm on track.
And then, then 21 is D.
Got it, yeah.
Okay.
And we need the normal probability output for the next one, right?
I think so, yes.
Which I don't know how to get.
Yeah, I don't.
Go to the top of the quiz.
Oh, is it up there?
I think so, yeah.
Oh yeah, it is.
No, so we need to get the z-score first.
What'd you get for your z-score?
So if for 22, then it has to be 50%, right? Because the number is the same as the mean. So then it'd have to be everybody above the mean is 50%.
Yeah. How do we type that in?
I don't know, it doesn't. On one of the answers we had to do just the percentage without a decimal point. So I'm guessing, I don't know, percentage without a decimal point?
I don't know.
Yeah, question 18, you get to put your answer in as a percentage and not a decimal point.
Yeah.
So, I don't know.
All right, let's just go with the percentage.
Okay.
Or we could have somebody put in decimal and someone put in the percentage.
Yeah, we could do that.
All right, 23. What is the probability of randomly selecting below 600? No, that's a huge standard.
Yeah, I got 0.684.
.684.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's what I got. Man, so we don't know how to type in any of these answers.
Yeah, I just started doing the decimal point because it doesn't make sense why we would put the rest of these as percentages, I guess.
Okay.
But I don't know. Maybe he wants it. It just doesn't make sense.
So 0.684. All right, 24. So this is going to be the opposite.
Yeah.
0.316.
Yeah.
Find the GMAT score that corresponds to the 10th percentile. Now this one, do we find? Oh wait.
This is I had this one. The problem with this, and I think it was from lesson 5. You have to do a long calculation to do this.
So if you type in 0.10 into the normal probability applet, we want to get our z-score. My question is, do we shade the left corner or the middle and left?
If you're doing the 10th percentile, well, it wouldn't give you the value though.
No, but it would give us the z-score, which we could then find the value.
If you
Oh wait, you know what? Sorry, the z-score is just 1.282. So we can use that, I think, to find.
And then yeah, you have to put that into the
equation. Okay, I got an answer, but it can't be right.
What'd you get?
I got 664.1.
I did not get that. I got. Wait, would it?
Oh, you know why? Okay, I had. What did you get?
389.
Which that would make sense.
Because we had the mean, we had the standard deviation, and we had the z-score.
Yeah, you got 3. Did you get 387?
No, I got 389 after calculating it all down. I got 388.89.
Okay. So I just got 387.78, but
Interesting. Well, maybe. Well, maybe. Let me recalculate it really quickly. So I still got 3.388.89.
okay. What is your formula look like?
It's just I'm just using the 1.282 equals at least this one is a percent. The 10th percentile is a 0.1 minus 543.2 divided by 120.54.
Okay, so I did, yeah. 1.282
Uh-huh.
equals x minus 542.3 divided by 120.54. And then I solved for x.
Okay.
But I don't know. Maybe we can try both of our answers or and see which one's right.
And you're doing that for the 10th percentile?
Yeah, because I just typed in 0.10 into the probability applet and found the z-score of 1.282.
Uh-huh.
And so I have all the numbers except for what the actual score would be.
Yeah.
So I left that as x. And then I solved for x.
So, but isn't the, so when I put in the left of, to get the 0.1, it only gives me 0.0999.
Yeah, I wasn't using it. I didn't use the area. I just used for 0.10.
Okay. Okay. Well, we can just go with yours and then we'll see what happens. So it rounded to be 388.
Oh wait. Is that what we're doing? Oh, round to the nearest whole number?
Yeah.
So you would have rounded to 388 anyway, right?
No, mine would have rounded to 389.
Oh, okay.
So let's do 388.
All right. Well, no, it's 389 if it's not.
And we'll just
And
do the same
20
equation.
Yeah, 26 is the exact same. Which I think it's 697.
Yeah, I got 697 for 27.
Okay, yeah, I got the same thing. Using that same way as the equation.
All right, 27 then.
Okay.
We're almost done.
Yeah, we are. We're getting close. Okay, just now we need to find the quartiles.
Oh, wait. Did I just. So, for the 697, that was for 25, right?
That was for 26.
Oh, I did something weird then because I got 697 for 20.
You might have been doing the 90th percentile instead of the 10th percentile.
So in your equation, you put in the positive z-score instead of the negative one.
Oh, is that what it is? Okay.
Yeah, you put 1.282 instead of negative 1.282.
Oh. Okay, that makes sense. So for the 90th percentile was 697. Okay. What? And then for 25, then what was it? That was 233.
388.
Okay. Okay.
All right. Do we know how to do 27?
27 is quartiles.
So we need to type in 0.25 into the applet. I think.
I think you can also calculate it on Excel if you want to.
Okay.
But I think you have to use what's the mean? 542.3. We want the first quartile, correct?
Yeah.
Okay, that I don't know how to calculate on Excel actually. Not with this.
Okay, I got an answer.
Okay, what'd you get for? Did you
I
plug
got-
it in the probability calculator?
Yeah.
Okay, what'd you get?
I got 461.
How'd you do it on the probability calculator?
So I just typed in 0.25 for my area, and then I took the z-score,
Okay.
the negative z-score.
Hello? You guys still there?
Yeah, yeah.
Over there.
Oh, okay.
I don't know any other way to do it,
Okay.
but I don't know. Does anyone else have any? Because that would sound right, 461. If 10% is 387 and the mean is 542.
Yeah, it sounds right to me.
Yeah, 461. Yeah. I did it the same way you did. I used the score and backtrack.
Is everybody here?
Yeah, still here.
We didn't lose Erica, did we?
No, it's just. I think we're good. She's still here.
Okay.
And then for the 75th, or the third quartile, which would be the 75th, I got 624.
Yeah, I got that as well.
Would that make sense? What was the 90th?
I think the 90th is 697, so that would make sense. Yeah.
Yeah, it would. Okay, let's go to 29 then.
So everybody's good with 461 for 27 and then 624 for 28. Everybody got that?
Say that 28 one again.
28 624, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what I got.
Sure.
I'll be upset if all these are wrong.
Yeah, no. Okay.
All right. Let's go to the next one. All right, this is where we have to do that formula.
Yeah, so it's the value minus the mean divided by the standard deviation divided by the square root of n. Or actually, never mind.
15.
So the square root of 15, and then it's the standard deviation divided by that number.
Yeah.
So 31.123.
That's what I got.
That's what I got.
Yeah.
I got
Oh, wait a minute.
31.1 is what I mean to put the.
Oh, so the mean is the same. Okay, so 31.123 is our answer to question 30.
Yeah.
Oh, did we?
So the mean's always the same, and then
So what's our mean? 542.3.
yeah, 542.3.
And then we have our answer for 30. All right, this is the long one.
Okay.
So we just have to find the z score. So then all it is oh, we have all the numbers we need for this actually.
Yeah.
600 minus. So the z score is 1.8539.
Yeah.
And then we just need to see it's greater or less than.
Greater.
Greater, so then it's 0.032.
That's what I got. I feel like we got all these right.
Yeah, I feel pretty good about them.
I'm gonna go look.
Yeah, we got everything right except for number 2.
What was number 2?
It was the categories.
Oh no.
I think I'm just gonna take the score. I don't know. Maybe I'll redo it, but I don't know.
I was still working on the last one. You guys came up with, I came up with 0.0318.
Yes, and right at 3 decimal points, it's 0.032.
Okay.
Yeah.
So what would you say on number 2?
I don't know. I don't know why we got 0.67 out of 1 point.
The number of animals in a local zoo?
That's definitely not categorical. Is it? That's quantitative.
Well, let's see. Let's think. Could you categorize the numbers of animals? Like, say you have 5 chickens, 5 hens, 5 donkeys, 8.
But is that not still quantitative?
I mean, if you got 0.67, that means that it would have to be it, because if it was one less.
I guess that's true. I just don't understand why it's categorical.
Yeah.
Oh, somehow I skipped over 15. False, right?
Yeah, it's false.
Yeah, I don't understand that one.
Yeah, I don't either. Because it really doesn't make any sense why the number of animals in the local zoo would be categorical.
Okay, it's not. So I just tried all 3, and it's only one of them.
One of them's not right then?
You got a 97.84 on that. Yeah. I bet you it's only one of them.
So, okay, then is it not the age and years of randomly selected vehicles in a parking lot?
I guess. I mean, that's the only one that would make sense. Because number 2 is definitely categorical.
Yeah.
Wait, a randomly selected brand of toothpaste.
I don't know. I don't know at all.
All right. Well, Erica, are you okay with your quiz?
Yeah.
Did you submit it and have the correct answers except for number 2? I don't think it's worth it to go back through and put in all the answers.
Nope.
You need to
I'm
select
not gonna. I'm good. We got an A, so it's not worth it.
No. Still trying to figure out number 2.
I don't know why it has to be only B. That's the only possible answer.
Age and years of random.
The only thing that throws me off about B is that it starts off a randomly selected brand.
Yeah.
Yeah, because maybe age and years of randomly selected vehicle is quantitative. Because for the examples of quantitative, it's like total number of hours slept in the past 24 hours, weight in carats of an uncut diamond, number of new automobiles sold at a dealership on a given day. So it's all like numbers like that. So age and years are randomly. I'm thinking it's just B.
Yeah.
All right.
Probably.
Well,
is.
we can go back in and do that. If everyone's good though, does anyone have any final questions or need any final assistance?
No, I think I feel better about the exam after doing it with you guys. So.
Yeah.
I think I'm good. Anybody else?
I'm looking good. Let's see here. Yeah, it was just B.
Oh, okay.
Oh,
Interesting.
what happened? Oh, wait, what did you guys put for... What did I do here? I missed question 30.
30 is 31.123.
Oh, I didn't put 1, 2. I put 0.1.
Oh, okay.
Whoops.
Dang. Sorry, man.
It's all good.
All right. Well, I guess if no one else has any further questions.
I think we're good.
Okay. All right, guys. Thanks for the work today.
Yeah, thanks, everybody.
Yep, thank you guys.
All right, well, do we have a group meeting on Wednesday?
Sounds
Yeah,
good.
I think we still have one on Wednesday.
Okay, sounds good.
All right. See you guys.
See ya.
Yeah.